Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get free money on Cash App with a referral code. For your convenience, you can sign up to Cash App using the link in the description. First, open Cash App on your phone and click the profile button in the upper right corner. Then, in the middle of the screen, you should see something like Invite Friends, Get $5. The amount for referral bonuses can change over time. It's usually $5 for both the person joining and the person referring them, but I've seen it go up to $10, $15, or even $20. So go ahead and click on that button. If you've already connected your contacts, you'll see a list of your friends and it will say, Get $5 next to anyone who isn't already on Cash App. For those who are already using Cash App, you'll see a little check mark. You won't get anything for referring them since they're already users. But for friends not yet on Cash App, if you click the Get $5 button, it will automatically open up a new text message with your referral information. The message will say something like, Hey, I've been using Cash App to send money and spend with the cash card. Try using my code and we'll both get $5, along with your referral code and a link. If they click the link to sign up, you'll get the referral credit. Or they can use the code directly in the app, and I'll show you how that works shortly. If you don't want to use your contact list, you can hit the little share button and either copy your referral code or send it via email or any other method you prefer. After you've sent the referral code to your friend, you'll see that bonus listed as pending in your transaction history. It'll remain pending until the person you invited completes all the necessary steps. To receive the bonus, they need to sign up for an account, connect a debit card, and send someone at least $5. They could easily send the money to you, and you could send it back, so you both get the bonus. Now, what if you're the one being referred? The easiest way to get the referral bonus is by clicking on your friend's link first. But if you signed up for Cash App without using your friend's link, don't worry, you can still enter the referral code. That code, which is a mix of letters and numbers, is in the text message your friend sent you. To enter it, open the Cash App, click on the profile icon in the upper right, and scroll all the way to the bottom. If you haven't already used a referral code, you'll see an option that says Enter Referral Code right next to where it says Sign Out on Mine. Click the Enter Referral Code button and type in that list of letters and numbers. One more thing to keep in mind. There's a time limit for these invitation bonuses. The person being referred has only 14 days from when they enter the referral code to complete all the required steps. Once the referral goes through, you'll see Invitation Bonus Received in your transaction history. That's it for this video. Remember, if you use the link in the description to sign up to Cash App, we will both get $5. The exact steps you need to take to get your free $5 are in the description as well.